Welcome to Traffic Research 2019. My name is Eric Lantris, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the version 3 of Traffic Research, the upgraded version that we just released, that we just expanded, added new features. So if you're an existing member, you want to know what's new, or maybe you're on the fence, you're on the edge looking in and you want a quick peek at like what's happening inside, like what the party is all about, this is going to be for you. So Traffic Research, as always, has been established on producing weekly content and updates to help you make more money online, get more customers, more sales from Google traffic, and we actually touch YouTube traffic as well. So as always, right here you find all the latest videos such as SEO Recap, invisible links and fonts, shopping for domains at auctions. So if you want to find those sweet domains that no one else is buying for a good amount of money, that the ones that really push Google rankings, this is it. So let's say I open up SEO Recap. You click on any video right here, and what you're going to see is you get the full training inside. If you have any questions, we have comments below you could leave. And here you can just watch the full training, you can go to the next video and so forth, and you can scroll through all our training and our research. So all the training and research is done in-house. We research everything ourselves. We develop new plugins. We do all these tests. For instance, invisible links and fonts, do they work? So we did a whole case study and testing on invisible links. We come up with findings, and I published the findings that I feel are going to make you the most money. So I focus on things that you could use or things that you should avoid. So for instance, how font sizes affect Google rankings. Does a bigger font, will Google prefer a specific font size? Does Google prefer a specific amount of contrast on your page? Does Google, like, what are uses of that? How does rel canonical work? How does naked links work? Like, does it have an effect? So we test all these things every single week. And also I develop new backlink techniques, new everything basically. And we publish you the results. So you want to see over a shoulder, you want to get training on how I do things, you watch this video, how to create videos for your business, using perfect links and so forth, testing SEO ranking factors, how capitalization works on rankings. We found something really good that you should be aware of if you want to do rankings online and so forth. So we have a lot of content inside Traffic Research, and we have so much. Look, let me just start scrolling down. We have a ton of topics covering absolutely everything from backlinks to penalty recovery to on-page to ranking better to ranking on YouTube without being a YouTuber. It's a special series I did. We really for more links, little tricks, hacks you could use on YouTube, on Google. And essentially one of the new features we added is a search box. So if you're like, hey, I want to learn about links, you come here, you type in links, and you're gonna get a list of our videos covering links, or at least having links in the title. So if you want, you're like, oh, let me watch Getting Impossible Links Part 1. And this is one of my best linking techniques. This is how to get impossible links that are extremely hard for other people to get. This is how you could methodically get links from giant authority sites. So this is just one of the videos, one of the hundreds of videos of exclusive techniques only available inside Traffic Research. So that is going to be the foundation of Traffic Research, but Traffic Research is so much more. We have tools and plugins that we develop specifically for Traffic Research members. So for instance, we developed the Site Quality plugin, which is a tool that we developed from the grounds up to help improve your website's quality score. We have the Perfect Power Recovery plugin, User Experience plugin, and so much more. Of course, we also have the advanced forms that a lot of people use almost on a daily basis. If you have a question about SEO, like, hey, how does this work? What do I do here? And you want to discuss something, go to the advanced forums, and we have a healthy community always answering questions, and I'm in there almost every single day answering questions, helping people out. So should I boost my white hat articles with PBNs? And we covered this. Purchasing links on people per hour. One person wanted to know, hey, is this a good job? Should I get this? Should I get this? Should I avoid this? We go in, we help people. So if you have any questions, you want to get feedback from the group, or sometimes we get awesome people like Dan sharing some really cool findings, some cool content. We get community members, giving back as well. This is a great place to be, and honestly, you're missing out if you're not in here. More stuff inside Traffic Research is, of course, the link vault, where we have a huge collection that we always keep updating of direct links to places you can get guest posts. So you just get guest posts all over the place. You follow the direct link, you're gonna just go to that location. we keep on updating the link vault, a huge list of links. If you don't want to think and you're just like, oh, I need like 5 links, you just go there and you can go and follow links on how to get them. Also, a new addition to Traffic Research, which is brand new, is we now have this secret forum. So the secret forum, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right here. It's brand new. And the way you get to this secret forum is you need to be a member of Traffic Research for 3 months in a row. And also you need to have a minimum of 20 posts inside the main forum. So once you meet those 2 criterias, you get access to the established secret forum inside Traffic Research. Now, this is a more exclusive forum and it's for longtime members. So if you want to discuss things that you don't necessarily want to share with too many people, you want to have a bit more exclusivity, people cannot buy access to this forum. You have to basically earn your way to this forum. So this secret forum we're starting right now for Traffic Research members. This is brand new. Hope you guys are excited. I'm already sharing things that I should probably not be sharing inside. Sometimes I'm sharing ideas that I haven't even fully developed out here. They're hints and things that I'm about to test. So if you really want the bleeding edge, come check it out and we'll see how the secret forums develop throughout the year. I'm pretty excited about this. And of course, if ever you have help and you need to know how to do something, you always use our help section. We have staff available 24/7 waiting to direct you to videos that could help you. So for instance, let's say you're just like, oh man, my website, the reason I'm joining Traffic Research is because my website hasn't been doing as well in 2018. And I think if I join Traffic Research, I'm going to do better. And yes, you are correct. And our staff could help you point to, let's say, recovery videos. So we covered a lot of the penalties and a lot of the changes that Google made in 2018. So our staff could point you to that. So for instance, you could go and say, okay, recovering from the Google fall updates, what happened during the updates, how to fix quality on your website and so forth. Or our staff could actually point you to those videos as well if you're not too sure on what you should watch first. So for instance, fixing website issues to increase your quality score, techniques for uncovering hidden Google penalties and so forth. We did a lot of recovery stuff. And of course, we always do a lot of really cool things that I just find because I'm doing SEO each and every single day. So make or break links with 20 cents. This is a bit more advanced for some people. This is tier 2 linking and how with 20 cents we managed to make a significant difference with our backlinks. So if you're not inside Traffic Research, you are missing out. Let me tell you, Traffic Research is designed from the grounds up to make you more money, increase the amount of customers you acquire, and for you to make more sales. So all our videos are catered with that in mind. Of course, we teach Traffic Research. We teach how to rank on Google. We also cover a bit of YouTube, and ultimately all that for the goal of making you more money. So if you are interested, the way you join Traffic Research is you go to our main page. It is very festive right now. It might not look like that by the time you see this video. You click on Get Unlimited Traffic right here. Then you click on the Join Traffic Research, and you're gonna have this form to fill out. You put your name, Eric. Antris is my last name. Can't even spell my last name. You fill out your email, fill out everything, and you either put your credit card or you complete with PayPal. As soon as you click this button, you're gonna be taken to the next page, which will get you started inside Traffic Research. That is the easy process if you're not already a Traffic Research member, or maybe you have been in the past and you're like, you know what, it's time to go back. So my name is Eric Plantis. Hope you guys have enjoyed this quick tour of Traffic Research. It really is one of the best places on the internet to learn on how to rank on Google and always to be up to date on the latest changes that are happening with Google. So hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comment below. And my name is Eric Plantis. I will talk to you soon.